Assalamu alaikum viewers, and this is your host Mohammad Asad Shahid. With me is Professor Dr. Getreid. Marvelous efforts from him. Like that 80 is just a number. I am still young and my heart is still, young, and I want to do something for humanity. Humanity is the biggest religion for him. We will hear some things about humanity from him. What is his beliefs regarding humanity? Assalamu alaikum, sir. Welcome to Gujarat.
Thank you again so much to Pak News, because Haji Jan has always been very supportive to what we do. So thank you so much for having me here.
Our pleasure, sir.
Humanity. Where can I start? The way I look at human beings generally is this. You should be working anywhere in the world with people who've got nothing in common with you except humanity. Be it in Gaza, Sierra Leone ho, or ya phir Pakistan ho, because I'm in India, okay? Lekin I'm working in Pakistan. I've got nothing to do with Pakistan.
Like, I was surprised to hear you that you said you are Indian, and the entire year we were thinking that you are Pakistani, and then you are coming to Pakistan to help out people.
Yeah.
But today I was really surprised, ladies and gents, that he mentioned he's Indian. And he proved this definition of humanity, regardless of religion, regardless of nationalities and all that, where we are stuck in. We and the viewers have understood your message. Like, we have to convey this message as much as we can. Like, we need to convey this video messages, make short, send videos, and support Mr. Dr. Professor Getreid. His efforts are marvelous, guys. Even at the age of 80, he is still, mashallah, doing a great job. Thank you so much, Doctor.
If I could just plug something in, and that is that Women Empowerment Center is something that's unique to Pakistan. Yeah, we've got a swimming pool for girls, we've got stitching facilities, we've got cooking facilities to teach children who are bigger, older, never been to school. We've got IT facilities, and swimming pool is so important because they can learn to swim. So जब सिलाद आता है ना, तो तरने जो आता है तो उनकी जिंदगी बच जाएगी. समझे ना? There are lots of things. We've got jule, we've got playing facilities. So people should come and see it, because I think for me, all of this under one roof. I think for Pakistan it is unique. I think for me it is also unique in the world. सारी दुनिया में ही नहीं है. अच्छा? So I think you should shout to the top of the roof to say Pakistan में ये है. And what we want to do is we do similar models elsewhere in the country. So thank you for the
Definitely, sir. Definitely. You're more than welcome. And this was it, ladies and gents. Thank you.